Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to write table of contents in Word. To get started, open your document. After that, in the Insert menu, you are going to click on Table and there select 2x1 table. Now, in the first cell, again in Insert, click on Table and choose the desired number of cells. You are going to repeat this process in the next cell. Both will be left with the same number of cells. Now, select the entire table. Click on the top icon and from Borders, select the Borders and Shading option. Here in the pop-up window, click on None. Click OK. This will give a better presentation to your pictures in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.